Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to launch the Microsoft Edge web browser using a command prompt in Windows 10. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start just by opening up a command prompt window. So type in CMD. We're going to go ahead and run that as an administrator. And you want to just type in to the command prompt, the elevated command line window here. So you want to type in start space MS Edge. So again, start MS Edge. And there's a space in between the start and the MS Edge. Hit enter on your keyboard. You have to give it a moment here. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.